Starting with practice set 8.1, question number 1. Okay, children, you can see a children in the above figure. Please read the question. After reading the question, you go to the solution, children. It's always better. But the question should be there in your mind. Okay, see, in the above figure, angle R is a right angle of triangle PQR. The above figure, angle R is the right angle of triangle PQR. Then write the following ratios. They want me to write sine P. They want me to write cos Q. Okay. They want me to write cos Q. They want me to write tan P and again tan Q. So naturally, children, please have a look here. In the right triangle, I just write, okay, in the right triangle PQR. In the right triangle the right triangle PQR, okay, you want, children, you want first one, sine P. You know, sine P is, please have a look here. Yesterday we saw sine is O, cos is R, tan is OA. So when you see this, children, sine P, okay, sine P is opposite side upon hypotenuse. O, matlab opposite side upon hypotenuse. For sine P, which is opposite side, children, QR, the other two letters. Okay, QR, and which is a hypotenuse, children, the side opposite a 90-degree angle. What is that? PQ. PQ is a hypotenuse. Okay, so what is the answer of the first one? Sine P, opposite side upon hypotenuse. Okay, QR upon PH, PQ. Remember, children, sine is what? O. Sine is what? O. The next one, what I want is, children, just have a look here. They want cos Q. Cos Q is R. Sine is O. Cos is R. Sine is O, cos is R. R is adjacent side upon hypotenuse. So for angle Q is down. Can you see angle Q, children? Which is the adjacent side? The side containing angle Q. Q को contain करने वाला hypotenuse को छोड़ के दूसरा side जो है उसको बोलते हैं adjacent side. So which is the adjacent side, children? QR. And which is hypotenuse, children? PQ. Okay, children. The second answer is over. We go to the third one. Cos tan, what is the answer? The question is of tan P, children. Now again, what is tan P, children? Just look at tan P, children. Tan P is sine is O, cos is R, tan is OA. Sine cos tan OR OA. So tan P is should be OA. O matlab opposite side upon adjacent side. So P को देखो, tan P, उसका opposite side क्या है? QR, rather two letters QR. Okay, which is the adjacent side. Okay, so tan P is contained by side PR and PQ is a hypotenuse. PR is the adjacent side. Okay, PR is the adjacent side. So now we go to the fourth one. Children, what is the fourth one? They want tan Q. Okay, they want tan Q. Tan Q is O, opposite side upon adjacent side, but only thing is angle Q. उसका opposite side. Angle Q को छोड़ के बाकी दो letter PR है. PR is opposite side. Okay, and then angle Q को contained by QR and PQ. PQ is a hypotenuse. QR is the adjacent side. QR is the adjacent side. I hope people understood me here. So all the four ratios we have removed. This is the answer of question number 1. Okay. We go to the next answer. Question number 2. Question number 2 says, children, you can see here, in the right angle triangle XYZ, in the right angle triangle XYZ, angle XYZ equal 90 degrees, and A, B, and C are the sides of a right angle triangle. You can see here, A is side XZ, B is side XY, and C is side XZ. A, B, and C are the sides of a right angle triangle. Write the following ratios. They want you to write this ratio: sin X, tan Z, cos X, tan A. Again, let's see here. In the right angle triangle, in the right angle triangle, in the right angled triangle, XYZ, in the right angle triangle XYZ. What is the first one I want? I want sin X. Sine of X. Sine is O. Sine is O. Cos is R. Tan is OA. So sine is O. So angle X is here. Which is the opposite side of it? Children, you can see a YZ. Okay. YZ. Okay. Don't you agree, children? X ko chhod ke baki do letter YZ. And which is the hypotenuse here? XZ. Okay. But you know, the length of this segments have been given in terms of small letters. What is YZ, children? YZ is A. So naturally, in place of YZ, I'm going to put A. In place of XZ, I'm going to put C. I'm going to put C, children. I hope people have got me here. We go to the second one, children. Say the second one is tan Z. Tan Z. Just have a look at tan Z. Sine, cos, tan. OA. So sine tan Z is what? OA. That is opposite side upon adjacent side, which is Z. Z opposite side, baki do letters, XY. Okay. So XY, okay, and which is the adjacent side? Please have a look here. This angle Z is contained by side YZ and side XZ. YZ and XZ. XZ is the hypotenuse, so YZ is the adjacent side. So YZ, okay, YZ. There you are, just here. XY is represented by small letter B and YZ is represented YZ YZ is represented by small letter A, okay? Then children, we go to the third one, cos X, okay? Cos of X, okay? Cos is what? Sine, cos, tan, OA. Cos is adjacent side upon hypotenuse, okay? Which is adjacent side for angle X. Don't you agree? Angle X is contained by XY and XZ. XZ is a hypotenuse, XY is a adjacent side, and which is a hypotenuse beta? XZ is a hypotenuse. So what is XY is B, children. XY is B. And what is XZ is C. So this is the answers, children. The fourth ratio, they want tan of X. Tan is OA. Sine, cos, tan, OA. Tan is OA. Now opposite side of X is YZ. Opposite side I said X is YZ. Adjacent side of X is XY. So naturally, children, how much you get? YZ is A and XY is B. So it should be A upon B. So this is an answer of all the four parts. Okay, children. We go to the next question. Question number 3, children. In the right angle triangle element, angle LMN equal 90 degrees, angle L equal 50 degrees, angle N equal 40 degrees. Now write the following ratios. They want you to find sine 50 degree, they want you to find cos 50 degree, they want you to find tan 40 degree, and they want you to find cos 40 degree. So kitna easier, children? I told you, children, first in my solution, I'm going to say like this: in the right angled triangle element, okay, children, you want first sine 50. Sine is O. See, sine of O. Only thing is you should know, we can also put measure of the angle with the ratios, okay? So sine of 50 degree. You can see the 50 degree angle on top, children. You can see the 50 degree angle on top, which is the sine is opposite side upon hypotenuse. Sine is O. Got it? Which is the opposite side for it. You can see 50 degree opposite side is MN. So naturally MN, and which is the hypotenuse of this right angle triangle. LN, okay? LN is a right angle, LN is a hypotenuse. So it will be LN, okay? The second one, children, I want cos of 50 degree. What is cos of 50 degree? Children, cos 50 is R, adjacent side upon hypotenuse. Cos 50 is R, cos is, please have a look here, adjacent side upon our hypotenuse, which is the adjacent side of 50 degree. 50 degree is contained by LM and LN. LN is a hypotenuse, so LM is the adjacent side. So naturally, this should be LM, and which is a hypotenuse. Children, LN is a hypotenuse, okay? Next is third one. I want tan of 40 degree. Tan 40, please have a look here. Sine is O, cos is R, tan is OA. So naturally, tan OA, 45 degree. 45 degree, tan of 40 degree. Okay, what is the angle, children? So sorry, it should be 40 degree. Okay, 40 degree. Please have a look here. The tan of 40 degree. Opposite side upon adjacent side. Which is opposite side? You can see 40 degree. LM is opposite side. Okay, which is the adjacent side? LN is a hypotenuse. MN is the adjacent side. So it should be LM upon MN. The fourth one, children, cos of 40 degree. Cos of 40 degree. opposite side upon adjacent side. Now look for 40 degree, which is a 40-degree angle down, okay? Which is the adjacent side for it. Ln is a hypotenuse, Mn is the adjacent side. Mn upon, adjacent side upon adjacent side, cos is adjacent side upon hypotenuse. Okay? Which is the adjacent side of 40 degree. Mn is the adjacent side. So Mn upon, which is a hypotenuse, Ln. I hope everybody got me here, children. Okay? Sure, children, got it? We go to the next time, children. Question number 4, children. Now, what is given, children? In the above figure, angle PQR equal, angle PQS equal 90 degrees. Then write the following trigonometric ratios, okay? So you have to find sine alpha, cos alpha, tan alpha first, and then you have to find sine theta, cos theta, and tan theta. So what you have to do, see sine alpha, I want to see. Now alpha is a measure of this acute angle R. Angle R is an angle of triangle PRS as well as triangle PRQ. So I should take angle R as an angle of triangle PQR. That is PRQ. Are you getting me why? Because PQR is a right angle triangle. So if you want to find trigonometric ratios of sine alpha, cos alpha, and tan alpha, you should select the right angle triangle only. You cannot select any other triangle. So you have to select a right angle triangle whose angle that alpha is. So you can see here in this right triangle PQR. Okay, so the first one we are doing, children, in right angled triangle PQR. In right angled triangle PQR. Now, why I selected PQR? You can see here, angle R is an angle of triangle PRS also. लेकिन ट्रायंगल पीआरएस राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल नहीं है, बड़ा ट्रायंगल पीआरएस राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल नहीं है. तो एंगल आर इज एन एंगल ऑफ राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल पीक्यूआर. तो जब भी ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक रेशियोज निकालना है आपको खाली राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल लेना है. तो अल्फा इज एन एंगल ऑफ राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल पीक्यूआर. सो आई सेड इन अ राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल पीक्यूआर. नाउ फर्स्ट वन, sin alpha you want. Sin alpha, sin is O, opposite upon hypotenuse. So for that alpha, which is opposite side PQ in the right angle triangle PQR, which is opposite side PQ, and which is a hypotenuse, children. You can see a PR is a hypotenuse, so PQ upon PR. Next, children, I want cos alpha. Cos alpha is sin alpha, cos alpha, tan alpha. Sin, cos, tan, O, R, O, A. So cos should be R. Got it? Like sin is O, cos should be R. Now for this alpha, which is a adjacent side, you can see a QR and PR. PR is a hypotenuse, so QR is a adjacent side. So QR upon PR, okay? Next, children, we want tan of alpha. Tan alpha is opposite side upon adjacent side. Opposite side upon adjacent side. So for alpha, the opposite side is PQ and the adjacent side is QR. So naturally, it should be PQ upon QR. So the first part got over here. Now the second part, in a right angle triangle, like theta they want. Theta is an angle of which right angle triangle? PQS, PQS. So naturally, in a right angle triangle PQS, in right angled triangle PQS, in right angle triangle PQS, okay? We want sine theta. Sine theta is, please have a look, your opposite upon hypotenuse. So for this theta, which is the opposite side, for theta, opposite side is QS, okay? You can see a QS, and which is a hypotenuse, children. Hypotenuse is PS, okay? Then I want cos theta. You can see a children, cos theta is adjacent side upon hypotenuse. Adjacent side upon hypotenuse. Theta का adjacent side क्या है, children? PQ. And which is a hypotenuse, children? PS. So PQ upon PS. PQ upon PS. You can see here for theta, PQ is the adjacent side. PS is a hypotenuse. PQ upon PS. Then tan theta. Tan theta is, children, opposite side upon adjacent side. For theta, the opposite side is QS, and which is the adjacent side, children? Adjacent side is PQ. Got it, children? So here, we wanted only sine alpha, cos alpha, tan alpha, sine theta, cos theta, tan theta. We have got all the six, okay? With this, this exercise, okay, exercise a practice set 8.1 gets over, children. Now we will